welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Poblanos chiles stuffed with cheese in creamy and delicious sauce. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Chicken bouillon, garlic cloves, butter, sour cream, regular milk, panela cheese, Manchego cheese, half an onion, frozen corn, epazote, and of course, the chile poblanos. This is everything you need to make this delicious and amazing recipe. So let's get started. I want to start first with my chiles poblanos. Let's roast them, get them nice and roasted from both sides. You know something, it takes a little time, but these chile poblanos come out so delicious and amazing that I know you guys are going to love this recipe. It's easy, it's delicious, and you know something, once they are completely roasted from both sides, we're gonna go ahead and put them in this baggie, and I'm gonna continue with the rest. We're gonna let them rest for a little bit. I have my epazote here, and we're gonna go ahead and take them to the sink and rinse them very good. The epazote is a spice that is so delicious that once you try it, you are going to continue using this epazote. I'm just gonna cut the little edges off just a little bit, and then I am ready to start dicing the epazote. The epazote leaves such a delicious flavor on your recipes. I'm gonna go ahead, transfer it to this little plate, and then reserve it until I am ready to use it. And here I have the cheese, and I'm going to go ahead and slice it. This is the panela cheese. I have the other cheese here, and I'm going to slice it the same way. This is the Manchego cheese. Once this is completely done, I'm going to go ahead and shred some Manchego cheese. Let's shred. We are going to need about 1 cup of shredded cheese. Of course, I'm using the Manchego cheese. Look at this. Be generous with your cheese, especially with this one. This one leaves such a delicious and amazing flavor on your dishes. Well, you know something? I'm going to be very generous. I'm going to get 1 cup completely. Okay, the cheeses are ready. I'm going to put them aside. And I have my onion, which I'm going to dice and just pull apart and just have everything ready. So when I need, everything's completely ready. Look at this. Okay, my chile poblanos are here. They've been resting for about 20 minutes. They're still nice and hot, but we're going to take all the skin completely off. Once it's completely off, we're going to cut through the middle, get all the seeds completely out, and then they are ready. We are ready to start stuffing them. But before we do that, I have a pan nice and hot. I'm adding some butter. I'm adding the onion. I want to caramelize the onion. Once it starts smelling like onion, then we're going to remove it. We're going to reserve it, and to the same pan, I am going to add the garlic diced. I'm going to add the corn. Remember, I'm using frozen corn, and I'm using the epazote. We are going to lower the heat to medium low, and we're going to let it cook for at least 10 minutes while we get ready the delicious sauce. Okay, I have my blender cup here. I'm going to add the sour cream. I'm going to add the onions. I'm adding 1 chile poblano. I'm going to add the chicken bouillon and the milk, and let's blend it completely. Okay, it really doesn't take too long. The corn is nice and ready. I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to start adding on the same pan the cream. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to let it cook in medium-low heat, and I am ready to start stuffing the chile poblanos. I'm going to be very generous. I'm going to add enough corn on the bottom. Remember, you want these chilies to be nice and fat with everything inside, but yet to be able to close the chile poblano, okay? You don't want to overfill them and everything comes out while it's cooking. You just want to make sure that they're covered. If you don't mind them being a little open, that's okay. It's your option. But here I'm going to just let it, just like that. And now it's been 10 minutes. The sauce is nice and thick. And now I am ready to add all the chiles poblanos, one at a time. Once they are completely on the pan, I'm going to go ahead and just cover them with that delicious sauce. Once they are completely covered, I'm adding the Manchego cheese on the top, the one that we shredded. Look at this. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna let it cook for just 2 minutes, and then this is completely done. Look at this. Let's cover it. I'll see you back in 3 minutes. While that's gonna be cooking, I'm gonna prepare myself some corn homemade tortillas. You have this recipe already on my channel. They get nice and fluffy, and you know something? You could enjoy these delicious chiles rellenos in a taco or with Mexican rice with veggies. Of course, you already have that recipe of the rice on my channel. Look at this. The chiles rellenos are completely done. My home smells amazing. I have the rice already made, and I am ready to plate it. Look at this. This is my plate. I'm adding a large chile relleno. I want to cut it through the center so that you could see how stuffed it is. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to taste it. So you know something? I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with these delicious chiles rellenos, filled completely with corn, Manchego cheese, panela cheese, and of course the sour cream. This is the part I really love and enjoy. I'm giving you 2 options. You could enjoy them with this Mexican rice that of course you already have on my channel, step by step how to make it. And the other option is in a taco with homemade tortillas. Well, let me taste this because I really want to know how it came out. Excuse me. Nice and creamy. The combination of both cheese, just amazing. And with this delicious homemade Spanish rice, well, who could ask for more? And of course, if you want to enjoy it in a taco, well, you can. I made myself a delicious corn tortilla, so let me enjoy it. And of course, you have that video of how to make this corn tortilla at home.
Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. With all the sauce and with all those cheeses, a perfect combination. I hope, my friends, you can make it at home. Enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying these delicious chile rellenos made at home. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.